Well, today I am going to attempt a milestone event. I'm going to try and take the passenger door off, and that's a big milestone for me. So this is what it looks like. There is the passenger door. I'm going to try and take it off. But first thing is I need to take off all of the interior bits here. Then I'm going to take it off at the hinge, take the door off, and then I'm going to see if I'm brave enough to take the actual window out. But this looks very complicated when I've looked it up on the internet. But you know, what the hell, let's give it a go. Alright, let's start by taking a few things off. Alright, so I'm going to bag all those bits up so I don't lose them, and then we'll try and take the door off. Now getting the door off, there's a little retaining arm thing here that stops the door opening too far, and to get it off there's a little retainer, little spring clip thing on the end of the arm, and I've never taken one off before, but I've been reading up on it on the internet, got a few tips. So I've got my handy rare earth magnets that I keep on a piece of string. I'm going to stick that just behind, and hopefully that will catch the spring clip when it comes off. And then I'm just going to get a couple of screwdrivers. It's very awkward. Hopefully this will just come off. There we are. Oh, that wasn't too hard. There we are. That's stuck to the magnet, and there it is. No, that was much easier than I thought. There we are. I'll just pop this on here so I don't lose it. Oops. There we are. Good. Well, that was relatively easy. And now with a bit of luck, I think this pin will just come out. It's a bit tight. Right, it's a bit better if I close the door a bit. Just a little. Yeah, there we are. That's coming out. There. Excellent. Well, I've got the bits and pieces off the door, and I've put some WD-40 on the bolts, and I've loosened them so they're ready to come off. So I've propped up the door. There it is. So I've got a sawhorse which is safely, I'm sure, propping up the door, so that when these bolts get taken off, there and there, the door will come off and it will be supported, and I'll be holding on to it. But I have to wait for Kate to come back from the market so she can undo the bolts while I hold it. Then the door will come off. So I've enlisted Kate to come and help me unscrew the bolts while I support the door. Here it goes. There it is.
Hi, Jason.
There goes the door.